Okay, guys, today what we're working on in fifth grade is volume. Now, volume can be found by finding the base and multiplying it by the height. Now, when we talk about the base of a right rectangular prism, we're talking about that first layer on the bottom. The base is found by doing the length and multiplying it times the width. That gives us the base. That's when we bring in and then multiply it times the height. Now, what our students are working on is we have either right rectangular prisms that are filled in with unit cubes, or we have right rectangular prisms that are just full cubes or full 3D objects. Now, today what we're going to start off with is our unit cubes because we want the students to understand the foundations to start with. Now, the first layer, like we said, is our base. It gives us our length times the width. So I'm going to fix the screen for a second. Now, our length is how many cubes we have on the bottom. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our length equals 5. Our width is how many cubes we have going backwards. We have 1, 2. That will find our base for us when we do 5 times 2, which is length times width, to give us our base. So our base for this right rectangular prism is 10 cubic or square units because it's just the base area. Now we're going to multiply on our height. Our height is how tall the object is. That's what helps it make it 3D. Ours goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're taking that 10 square units and multiplying it times 5, which gives us 50 cubic units. Now I teach the students the difference between cubic and square units. We have cubic when we're multiplying the 3 numbers, which make it 3D. We have square units when it's just the 2 numbers that make it a flat shape. So let's move to the next one. In this instance, we have just a box. And to find the volume, we're going to do, like we said, the length times width times height. In volume, you can mix the numbers up and do them in any order, called the commutative property. So we're just getting in that practice. Now, our length is 8, our width is 2, and our height is 4. For this object, we have 8 inches by 2 inches by 4 inches. 8 times 2 is 16. Then we multiply by 4. They could also do, I'll bring it over here. They could do 2 times 4, which gives us 8. Multiply it by 8. Both of these give us 64 cubic, oh, I'm sorry, it already says inches right here. So cubic inches. Those are our problems. Now, what I want you to review with your kids. Volume is the amount of space that is taken up within our right rectangular prism. It's how much space is inside of it to fill up. When we fill the volume of our right rectangular prism up, we want to make sure there's no overlaps and no space left over. It has to be perfect layers, like we talked about on that first slide. Each one, the layer is filled in. Oh, the layer is filled in. The cubes are not overlapping, and there's no space in between them. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments, or you can email your teacher. Have a great day.